Also following breaking news this morning, a new case of coronavirus may be the first in the U.S. that is not linked to foreign travel. That makes 60 confirmed cases here in the States. A live look at the White House this morning now that President Trump has laid out his administration and how they plan to respond to the growing threat. CBS's Elise Preston has the latest.
President Trump looked to ease fears over the coronavirus outbreak.
Because of all we've done, the risk to the American people remains very low.
At the White House yesterday, Mr. Trump tapped Vice President Mike Pence to head the administration's response.
We're ready to adapt and we're ready to do whatever we have to.
You have directed this team to take all steps necessary to continue to ensure the health and well-being of the American people.
Health officials, though, warned more infections are likely.
The trajectory of what we're looking at over the weeks and months ahead is very uncertain.
And while President Trump has high hopes for an aggressive response,
We're rapidly developing a vaccine.
the health experts were more cautious.
The answer to containing is public health measures. We can't rely on a vaccine over the next several months to a year.
After the briefing, the CDC reported a new case in California may be the first in the U.S. not connected to foreign travel.
It suggests that we don't know where they got it from, so the person who exposed them probably exposed others, so there's probably other cases out there in the community that we don't know about.
Dr. Dean Bloomberg works at the University of California Davis Medical Center in Sacramento, where the patient is being treated.
Screening for travel is probably not enough anymore, is it? Because we know that there's community transmission.
Officials are trying to track down people who have been in contact with the patient. Elise Preston, CBS News.
As several parts of the world work to contain the virus, there are some concerns surrounding the Summer Olympics in Tokyo. Currently, the organizing committee is not planning on canceling the Olympic torch relay. The committee's CEO said yesterday they're working out how to host the event without increasing the risk of infection. They're looking at scaling down events and reducing the number of spectators for the relay.
Between the IOC and the Tokyo organizers, our objective is to have the games celebrated this year. It won't change unless the public authorities, health authorities, make it clear in some binding fashion that this can't occur.
For the very latest on the coronavirus, head to our website, that's cbs6albany.com, and be sure to follow us on social media for immediate updates concerning the virus.